All right, so this is the address we're running with. This is it right here. I'll try to be quick with this one because we've done this so many times. Here's the web page where you get the term split from, and here's the download. I already did all that though, so I'm not going to do it again. And then here's the channel where you get the validations, and this right here is the username. It's Aphrodite. So once you're in term split, go ahead and run the package and system updates first. Then come over here, search for Solana BPF from the SDK section. Now we're going to get any bundle from the channel, copy it, paste it straight into the terminal, and hit continue. And we're going to sign off on it pretty quick just so it doesn't time out. You want to get all of that done before the block gets too far, just so everything actually goes through and works. Now go back over to the Solflare app and just keep refreshing it until it shows up in the address. Now when it gets here, I'll send it over to Trust. Once you're in the app, just click to add Solana to the page. You can search for Solana, or you can just scroll down. It's right there. Now, for privacy, this part's going to be blurred out in the video, so none of the sensitive information is showing. And from here, I'm just going to send it over like I normally would. I'm just going to send over 50% for now. Back over to Trust Wallet. I'm just going to keep refreshing it until it shows up. From here, you can swap it on Binance, Coinbase, or even right here, whatever you normally use. And just so I can keep posting more content like this, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.